How to download your data on Etsy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and request to download your data on Etsy easily and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is simple: log into your account on Etsy. Now go to the top here, click on your account profile and click on account settings. Now all what you have to do is click here on this privacy option and it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is go down and click request your data for download. Now as you can see, I just requested my data so I can download it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.